Hello everybody and welcome back to Shave Up. This is going to be the first video in the new bathroom, or shave den. I don't have my logo up on the wall yet. Just getting settled in. Not going to do a shave den tour yet because just getting settled in. I did want to do a mail call though because my brother sent me something. So let's get right into that. I have it right here, and it is a custom, one-of-a-kind travel kit for shaving gear, and my brother made it completely himself. He just saw a design online and threw it together, and it's really cool. Stitching is really nice. I like the fasteners that he picked. It's a little ball and just made a loop on a hole in the leather, and you just slip it over. There's 3 clasps, kind of wrap around from the front to the back, and that's what we have. Has a blade case holder, a razor holder, and a brush holder. So this was measured for his equipment that he has. So that would be a Vanderhagen brush, and then I don't know what razor he had. I think it's probably like a Micro Toucher, a Vanderhagen, or something like that. But I have my Dollar Tree razor in here currently. It's just one that I had handiest when I got it, and so it just slides right in through a hole in this strap into this pocket, and then it snaps in. And then this is just for your common size of blade cases. So the Vanderhagen bore one will just slip right into this nice little pocket. It has a little flap that folds over it. So this will not fit my Omega Art 48 because it's just too big. Well, let's go ahead and give it a try. I mean, why not? It does stretch enough to accommodate the handle, which is a decent amount thicker and wider than the Vanderhagen, but it will real easily, I haven't tried this yet, but fit in the Art of Shaving Pure Badger. Fits in there no problem. Let's go ahead and try it with the case real quick. So I put it in its little travel case, and I mean, it's a tight kind of fit, and it doesn't stresses here more where it's not supposed to, or designed to be stretched or stressed, I mean. And it could fit, I could squeeze it down, but I'm not going to. Get that out of there. I did want to just try a couple other razors real quickly here. So there's the Dollar Tree, and let's go ahead. Have the Black Beauty. I know it's not going to fit in here, I already tried it, but let's go ahead and put a quick sizing in here. Oh wow, it's really that much. Oh, I just had it stuck on a... So it's right at the snap, so it won't be able to close. Have this one is the Master Cut, and that is just a little bit shorter than the Black Beauty, so yeah, it's not going to close either. The Bigfoot Shaves in Rose Gold. Let's go try this one out. I have not tried this one yet, but we have it fits. Alright, so just one last item on here, and that is going to be the blade holder. I've already tried it with some Parker casing here. Fits real nicely. I don't remember what case my brother used to size it. Let's go ahead and try Wilkinson Sword Classic. One of my favorite blades. I don't think it will fit. Yeah, that's not going to fit in there. This is more of a hardened leather. He did something to harden it. I think boiling or something like that. Whereas all the rest of the leather is softer and more malleable. The darker leathers look like they might be more of a full grain leather or top grain. Actually, all of it might be. I don't know. Because yeah, this doesn't really feel like the genuine leather grade. But feels nice. And just for kicks and giggles, it's not going to fit in there. I was planning on not trying it, but this is just a little cardboard package. I realized a lot of razors do come in the cardboard package, and that slips in there nice and easy. I would put it with the flap going down so that it's not gonna, blades aren't gonna spill out of the box when it's floating around in a bag or anything like that. But best thing is going to be like a Parker size. A couple others have the same size. I just can't think of any off the top of my head. And that blade is in there wrong. Oh well. So that's just a quick review of the, or showing off of my brother's handiwork. He does have an Etsy page, Devil Dog Leather on Etsy. He doesn't have this on there. He does have a cigarette case, a little sleeve for a Bic lighter so you can attach it to a keychain. I don't think he has holsters on there. I forget exactly what he has on there. I will put a link to his Etsy in the description. If you want to see more of these, possibly see about purchasing one of these, go ahead and leave a comment in the description as well. I'll reach out to him and see what his plans for this kind of product are in the future. You might be able to reach out to him through Etsy as well. Either way you want, go ahead. But yeah, it's really nice, and it's just something you threw together real quickly. But the stitching is really, really nice. It's really flush to the leather itself, and definitely really nice looking for, I'd say, what would be a prototype, because he's like, hey, send me a picture, would you be interested in one of these? And I think he had this halfway done at that point, and I was like, yeah, sure. So he finished it off and sent it to me, kind of a birthday, or hey, I haven't sent you anything in a while, just, you know, something he'd done. I'm beginning to ramble, but yeah, again, link will be in the description. This is not on the Etsy page as of this time, 2019, December. No, not December, it's just November still. But yeah, go ahead and check out the Etsy page. I forget everything else that's on there, but yeah, thanks for watching. Have a great day, do what works for you, and shave up.